the price of something and the value are two different things. The quote from Oscar Wilde, which is, "A fool knows the price of everything and the value of nothing," is literally, it couldn't be more valid at this point in our society, if not the globe. The amount of people who just look at price, they know the price of everything, but they actually don't understand the correlation between value and price. I would say that 99% of people don't understand the difference between those two things. So that quote, "A fool knows the price of everything, the value of nothing," couldn't be any more significant at this point in time. And it's just, this is what, gold going up in price like this, because you're seeing it with all those people queuing out. They're queuing outside gold bullion dealers to purchase more gold. Everyone thinks it's a good time to get in, but they don't realize that actually they're buying the top of purchasing power. It's the same with the stock market. Everyone looks at the stock market. If you go onto SPX here, right now, most people will call, it can't go any higher. It's doomsday. How can these recorded all-time new highs the whole time? There must be some sort of massive doomsday 1920s style depression coming. Legends, this is not how it operates. The stock market is going up in price, but it probably hasn't increased in value this year yet. Still, it's still not above 8% inflation. So I'd say that the stock market, just because it's going up in price, it doesn't mean it's getting any more valuable. It doesn't mean all the stocks and shares and indices and everything, it doesn't mean all the companies in the stock market are all just getting better and better at what they do. It might look like that. That's the funny thing. It might look like that. Everyone just thinks everything's getting better. But the association between things going up in price and that thing being better is detached now. There's no correlation between the two things. Just because your stock price goes up doesn't necessarily mean the company's getting any better. It's just that there's a similar amount of stock in the economy, but there's more dollars bidding on the same amount of stock. So it's a bidding war. And if there's more dollars bidding on the same amount of stock, that means the price must rise for it to stay at the same value, but the price goes up. Anyway, I've spoken about this a billion times. Just go on any chart and then just do /M2SL, and then you'll get the price of that asset divided by the M2 money supply. And that's what you really want to look at.